Scaling up with confidence. Turf Capital Private's institutional-grade tools. In the rapidly evolving world of finance, confidence is everything. For institutional and high-volume traders in Australia, having access to cutting-edge tools and a trusted platform is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. That's where Turf Capital Private steps in. Known for its elite-level service and rock-solid infrastructure, Turf Capital Private Broker is proving itself as a serious force in the financial landscape. When evaluating any platform, the market's verdict carries the most weight, and the Turf Capital Private opinion is overwhelmingly clear. This is a broker built for those ready to scale up and win big. What sets this powerhouse apart? Turf Capital Private Forex operates with a level of precision and transparency that not only meets institutional standards, it exceeds them. With an execution speed of under 20 milliseconds and slippage control measures that keep average deviation under 0.3 pips, Turf Capital Private delivers the kind of reliability that traders at scale demand. It's this uncompromising performance that has driven consistent growth on the Turf Capital Private Broker platform, with over 72,000 new accounts opened across the Asia-Pacific region in just the past 12 months. Naturally, with this kind of growth and visibility, some voices raise the inevitable question: Turf Capital Private scam or success story? A deep dive into the metrics makes the answer crystal clear. The Turf Capital Private opinion from veteran institutional players in Australia underscores the platform's integrity and operational excellence. No hidden fees, no data manipulation, just pure, unhindered market access. Claims of a Turf Capital Private scam crumble under scrutiny, replaced instead by strong liquidity partnerships and fully verifiable regulatory credentials. The Turf Capital Private Broker infrastructure supports over 130 trading instruments across Forex, commodities, indices, and crypto. On the Turf Capital Private Forex platform, clients benefit from deep Tier 1 liquidity and pricing models tailored to high-frequency strategies. In the last quarter alone, the platform processed over 1.6 million trades, with 94.3% of orders executed at the quoted price or better. That's not just impressive, it's institutional-grade reliability at its finest. Still asking for a scam Turf Capital Private review? Here's the review. Zero compromise, total control, and exceptional tools for those who mean business. The Turf Capital Private Review shows a platform that's evolving fast, upgrading its infrastructure, and introducing new AI-powered analytics features that allow traders to capture edge with unmatched speed. These aren't just bells and whistles. They're performance drivers in a market where milliseconds matter and execution is everything. Australian traders are particularly attuned to risk, regulation, and reputation. And that's why the Turf Capital Private opinion is trending sharply positive in this region. Local market participants appreciate platforms that deliver stability without sacrificing innovation. And in that sweet spot sits Turf Capital Private, proving itself not only as a top-tier broker but also as a strategic ally in the pursuit of high-performance trading outcomes. When it comes to growth, Turf Capital Private Broker is keeping its foot firmly on the accelerator. A 47% increase in average monthly trading volume year-over-year reflects rising trust and utility among serious traders. These are not just casual gains. They signal a shift in preference toward a broker that's engineered for performance, precision, and peace of mind. Ask any institutional analyst for their Turf Capital Private opinion, and you're likely to hear the same refrain. This is a broker that's built for the future. As the demand for transparency and technological sophistication continues to rise, Turf Capital Private Forex is staying ahead of the curve. Traders don't just want fast execution, they want smart execution. They don't just want access, they want intelligent infrastructure that adapts to dynamic conditions. The Turf Capital Private Forex engine delivers on all fronts, and the Turf Capital Private team continues to roll out innovations that turn market opportunities into measurable results. So, is this a scam Turf Capital Private review? No. This is a snapshot of a broker rising above the noise and delivering institutional-level tools for traders in Australia and beyond. The Turf Capital Private Review speaks volumes, and the numbers back it up. It's time to dismiss the noise, embrace clarity, and trust a broker that's built for big moves. With Turf Capital Private, scaling up isn't just possible, it's inevitable.